Hi, friends! Welcome to another colourful adventure with me, Ollie Oval. Today, we're going to mix colours and see what new colours we can make. Are you ready? Let's go! What happens if we mix red and yellow? Let's find out together. First, let's grab some red. Now let's add yellow. Can you guess what colour we'll make? Shout it out! Wow, you're right! Red and yellow make orange. Next up, we've got blue and yellow. What do you think will happen when we mix these two? First, let's add blue. Now, let's add yellow. Say the colour with me. Blue plus yellow makes... green! Let's try another one. Let's mix red and blue this time. What colour do you think we'll get? First, let's grab some red. Now, let's add blue. Can you guess what colour we'll make? Shout it out! Wow, you're right! Red and blue make purple. Let's try mixing more colours. Now here's a fun one. What do you think happens if we mix white and red? First, let's grab some white. Next, let's add some red. Can you guess what colour we'll make? Shout it out! Correct! White and red make pink. How cool is that? Great job, everyone! Let's remember, red and yellow make orange, blue and yellow make green, red and blue make purple, and white and red make pink. Now, how about we mix them all together? What colour do you think we'll get? Whoa! Look at that! All the colours together make brown. You did awesome today! Thanks for mixing colours with me today. I'll see you next time for more fun and learning. Thanks for joining us, friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on Tickle Time TV so you can come along on more awesome adventures.